Welcome to a tale of mystery and intrigue that's unfolding right above our heads. We're diving into the heart of an ongoing investigation where the skies are not just the limit, but the very scene of the crime. I'm talking about the mysterious drones spotted across the United States, a phenomenon that has everyone from local law enforcement to the White House scrambling for answers. According to National Security Communications Advisor John Kirby, these drones are not the rogue elements many feared. No, the White House insists they're legal and lawful. But, let's pause for a moment. Can we really take this at face value? With sightings reported from New Jersey to New York, Pennsylvania, and beyond, the public's curiosity, or perhaps, suspicion, is piqued. Let's sift through the facts. Since mid-November 2024, clusters of drones have been seen flying over critical areas, including military installations and even near President-elect Donald Trump's golf course. A sight that alarmed many, leading to temporary flight restrictions and a flurry of investigations by the FBI, DHS, and local law enforcement. John Kirby claims, after examining over 5,000 sightings, that our assessment at this stage is that the activity is lawful and legal. He describes a sky filled with a mix of commercial, hobbyist, and law enforcement drones, alongside some manned aircraft mistakenly identified as drones. But here's where it gets murky. If they're so legal, why the secrecy? Why the initial panic? Some insiders suggest that these drones could be part of larger surveillance operations, perhaps not just by hobbyists or commercial entities but by entities with a more vested interest. And let's not forget, this comes at a time when drone technology is advancing faster than regulations can keep up. But here's the twist. Despite these assurances, local officials and the public aren't convinced. There's a call for transparency, for hard evidence. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy has voiced growing concern, demanding federal help to fully understand what is behind this activity. And you have to ask, if this is all above board, why the pushback from those on the ground? Moreover, the narrative that these are all lawful activities doesn't square with the absence of detailed explanations. How does one differentiate between a legal drone and a suspicious one? The White House's response seems more like an attempt to calm the waters rather than providing the clarity we need. And then there's the elephant in the room, foreign involvement. While the White House and the Pentagon have dismissed any foreign nexus, the timing and coordination of these drones have left many skeptical. Could this be a test of our defenses? A new form of espionage under our very noses? As the investigation continues, one thing is crystal clear: we're in uncharted territory. With over 1 million drones registered in the US, the skies are a new frontier for both opportunity and threats. So, what's next? Will we see new laws? A crackdown on drone use? Or will this remain one of those mysteries where the truth is as elusive as the drones themselves? Stay tuned as we keep our eyes on the sky, seeking the truth behind these lawful visitors. If you want to dive deeper into this ongoing saga, follow our blog where we'll continue to unravel this mystery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this and other stories that shape our world. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are these drones truly as benign as claimed, or is there more beneath the surface? Until next time, keep questioning, keep watching.